Hey everybody, hi, it's Scott Jones from Easy Travel Pad coming to you right now from Margaritaville. It's not a pop top, but it is a popsicle. Down in the Riviera Maya, we're going to have a look around this super fun resort. You're going to like this. Upon entering Margaritaville, greeted with friendly staff, refreshments, comfortable space while you facilitate your check-in. When you are at Margaritaville, you know there has to be a 5 o'clock somewhere bar. This one is overlooking a fantastic view.
Okay, so you just go to the top and you will blend it.
Okay. Hit the red button. Okay, so when you're at Margaritaville, what you have to do sometimes, because maybe the bar's busy or maybe just because it's fun, you have to blend your own margarita. Yeah. I don't like mine crushed up too much. A lot of people would like it smooth. I like it with little chunks of ice, so I'll stop right now. And here is the finished project. Cheers. Perfecto. There are always plenty of comfortable beach chairs, and the beach is fantastic. Some valley beds are available as well. There are a number of different swim-up room category types in this section of the resort. We can discuss more of that in detail, but many of them have an exceptional view of the ocean and really close proximity to Rita's Taco Bar. Sometimes, if you play your cards right, your swim-up room can be in very close proximity to the swim-up bar. At some point this afternoon, a pool volleyball game is likely to break out. At any time, relaxation is ready to break out. One of the main restaurants on property here at Margaritaville is the Beach House, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are plenty of other a la carte options, and sometimes the a la carte options are here for breakfast. Sometimes it's a food display. It just sort of depends on occupancy. But it is a terrific space with a great view of the ocean. Beyond, I have had some food here before and it is outstanding. But this is just one of the options. There are several more. So I'll show you a few photos of some of the others here shortly, once we get the bird out of the picture. We're in Frank and Lola's restaurant right now, which is delicious upscale cuisine named for Frank and Lola, who celebrated their second honeymoon, and their story is portrayed on the wall in the restaurant. Hola! This is a terrific coffee bar with some pastries and sweets. And then additionally in this space is a different concept, which is a store where you can grab things that you want, snacks, sodas, a variety of different things that you can pay with points that accrue based on your reservation, or with cash. We can talk more about that. The Compass Rum Bar. This is somewhere I want to spend a little bit of time at one day. There are some premium rums that are available for purchase, but the house pour is pretty nice already. Great place to hang in the evenings. Chill with your friends. Make new friends. All here at Margaritaville in the Riviera Maya.